Welcome back. Today we answer a common question. Which solar panel is the best choice?
Today we are going to compare 3 different types of solar panels. 4x50 watts portable solar panel. This is our BXF series. 220 watts lightweight solar panel. This is our PA621 series. And this 200 watts flexible solar panel. This is our TF series. This channel mainly shares some knowledge about solar panels. Welcome to subscribe to my channel and turn on the little bell. You will not miss more information about solar panels. If this video is helpful to you, you are also welcome to like and collect this video so that it will not be lost. If you have any insights or questions while watching the video, please leave a message in the comments area and I will reply to your questions as soon as. Okay, let's get started. All 3 solar panels use high efficiency 182 mono. First, let's look at the Sungold PA621 series solar panel, which feature a glass-free design and weigh only 4.4 kg per square meter, 37% lighter than traditional. The high-stress composite backplate design effectively suppresses rapid temperature rise and can reduce the component's power loss in high-temperature results, thereby increasing actual power generation. After hail testing, the power attenuation was only 0.12%, demonstrating excellent impact resistance. Even at high temperatures, it can output energy stably and efficiently, ensuring that the device always has enough power. The PA621 series has IP67 waterproof rating and is extremely waterproof, able to cope with any weather conditions. Next, let's look at the Sungold TF series, which feature an ultra-light and flexible design. It is encapsulated with innovative patent materials which are resistant to trampling and soil spray, greatly improving durability and impact resistance of the ball. It is not only lightweight, but also easily bendable to adapt to different installation and usage requirements. TF series has IP67 waterproof rating and it is extremely waterproof, able to cope with any weather conditions. The BXF series is designed to be easily folded and stored, perfect for travel or backpacking. Designed for outdoor activities, it is 50% lighter, easier to carry, and still provides strong power output. Can be easily rolled out and charged, even in a small space. Easily charge your phone, camera, and more to ensure your devices are always powered.
BXF Plus use high polymer materials for better impact resistance, making it lighter, softer, tougher, 46% lighter than common charging packs, more suitable for outdoor use, easy to carry.
With IP6A waterproof rating, it can output stably regardless of rainy or humid environment.
MC4 connector align the female connector and the male connector. And insert into the energy storage port. The XT60 connector align the energy storage.
When choosing a charging location, make sure the solar panels are not obstructed. Occlusion will reduce efficiency and affect output.
Sunny today, and the sunshine is very good. This is our flexible solar panel. And now let's check the test results. The test results show that the flexible solar panel output is 170 watts. The power output is stably maintained at 170 watts.
which is a very good figure. Now we are going to check the next solar panel's actual output. This is our portable solar panel. Let's go to check the test result. The results show that the portable solar panel output is 170 watts. The power output is stably maintained at 170, which is a very good figure. Now we are going to check the last solar panel's actual power. This is our lightweight solar panel PA621. Let's go to check the test result. The results show that the PA621 output is 201 watts. The power output is stably maintained at 200, which is a very good figure. These test results show how each solar panel actually performs under similar conditions. Let's look at the scenario where each type of solar panels is suitable. Portable solar panels is perfect for those who need portability. It's strong, waterproof, and easy to carry. Our flexible solar panels fit on curved or irregular surface. Flexible solar panels can be installed with glue or 3M tape without drilling holes. Our lightweight solar panels are suitable for long-term fixed installation. They use a high-stress composite backplane that can effectively dissipate heat conduction. At the same time, any shadow environment, because of the shading technology designed, can reduce hot spots and normal power output. The lightweight solar panels have excellent weather resistance and are suitable for long-term use. So which solar panels is the smartest choice? Well, it depends on your needs. If you need portability or versatility, a portable solar panels is your best choice. The flexible solar panels are suitable for curved and non-flat surface like RVs, boats, and tents. The lightweight solar panels are suitable for installation in non-curved environments and for scenario where wind resistance, mechanical law, ice and snow, or frequent shadows are considered, then PA621 is good choice for you. The three solar panels have different lifespan and durability and are suitable for different usage scenarios. Flexible solar panels have a 6-year warranty, and the lightweight solar panels have a 10-year warranty. Each solar panel has their own unique advantages depending on scenario and needs. I hope this video can help you better choose the right solar panel. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and we will do our best to answer them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more solar knowledge. Thanks for watching. See you next time.